Welcome back to News Nexus, the place where history meets hidden truths. Today we're diving into one of the most fascinating financial turnarounds the world has ever seen. The German currency reform of 1948. What if I told you that post-World War II Germany, shattered by bombs and buried under rubble, pulled off a financial miracle so bold it not only resurrected its economy, but also reshaped global economics? So grab your coffee and stick around because this is the secret behind Germany's miracle currency reform after World War II. In May 1945, Germany surrendered unconditionally, ending World War II in Europe. The war had left the country in ruins. Cities were bombed beyond recognition. Industry was almost non-existent. People starved. But beyond the broken buildings and food shortages, another silent killer loomed. Hyperinflation. The Nazi government had printed an overwhelming amount of money during the war to finance military spending. By 1948, the Reichsmark, Germany's currency, was virtually worthless. Germans had stopped trusting money. Barter trade replaced cash. Imagine swapping cigarettes or chocolate for groceries. An economy can't grow if people don't believe in money. The Allies, the United States, Britain, and France, realized that Germany's broken economy could destabilize Europe. If Germans couldn't rebuild, the whole continent would suffer. That's when the idea of a new currency was born. A currency that wouldn't just replace the Reichsmark, but would rebuild trust in the economy. The plan was bold and secretive. The Allies, especially American economists and military planners, designed a completely new currency called the Deutsche Mark. Printed in the United States under tight security, the new notes were shipped discreetly to Germany. On June 20th, 1948, without any prior public announcement, the Deutsche Mark was launched in West Germany. The government introduced a conversion rate that wiped out most of the old Reichsmark savings, but gave everyone a fixed amount of new Deutsche Marks. For every 100 Reichsmarks, people received just 6.5 Deutsche Marks for their cash holdings. But the government gave each person 40 Deutsche Marks in cash up front to stimulate spending. The sudden move shocked the black market. Overnight, shopkeepers stopped hoarding goods. Store shelves that were empty the day before suddenly filled up with products. The result? Prices stabilized and the German economy, after years of chaos, started ticking again like clockwork. One of the unsung heroes of this reform was Ludwig Erhard, an economist and future chancellor of West Germany. On the same day the Deutsche Mark was introduced, Erhard took another bold step. He abolished most price controls. In a world where governments usually micromanage prices after crises, Erhard trusted free market forces. This controversial decision encouraged production and competition, leading to what we now call the Wirtschaftswunder, the German economic miracle. So why did this currency reform succeed where others had failed? Here are the secret ingredients. Trust restoration. People believed in the new Deutsche Mark because it was limited, stable, and backed by Western allies. Psychological reset. Starting fresh with a new currency broke the cycle of fear and hoarding. Free market freedom. Removing price controls freed German businesses to produce, trade, and innovate. External support. The Marshall Plan, U.S. aid to rebuild European economies, poured capital into Germany just as the new currency was stabilizing. In short, it wasn't just about money, it was about mindset. The 1948 currency reform didn't just save Germany. It laid the foundation for West Germany to become an economic powerhouse. By the 1950s, Germany's economy was booming. Unemployment dropped dramatically. German products became world-famous for quality and reliability. The reform also became a textbook example for economists worldwide on how controlled yet bold decisions can heal a broken economy. So the next time someone tells you that money is just paper, remember the Deutsche Mark. Germany's post-war recovery wasn't magic. It was the result of smart planning, courageous decision-making, and above all, restoring trust in the system. That's the real secret behind Germany's miracle currency reform. If you found this story as fascinating as I did, hit that like button, subscribe to News Nexus, and turn on notifications for more hidden stories from history. Until next time, stay curious. Thanks for watching News Nexus, where the past shapes the future.